Okay, guys, welcome to this edition of Joni's Reviews. Okay, now I'm doing an unboxing and review of this space heater. Okay, now I got this on the internet for $23. The name was CHITRONIC or CHITRONIC. Okay, it's CHITRONIC. 2 heat settings, overheat protection, built-in tip-over switch, quiet work, below 60 decibels, 20-second heat up. Okay, heater is hot when in use. Okay, again, it's called CHITRONIC. And I got this for the camper. I had this really big heater out in the camper, so I was just wondering. Here's my owner's manual, and I got this for $23, and it's white. So, and I always try to buy from an eBay seller that sells eBay seller that's maybe 100% a positive feedback. So, and you can see here, here's the list of features on it. Okay, the features on this, you got a 20-second heat up, wide oscillation, so I guess it swings back and forth. Cool wind, quiet work below 60 decibels, tip over switch, overheat protection, 2 heat settings. You can have it on 750 watts or 1,500 watts. Safety protection, so it says ETL listed. So Intertech. It's listed as Intertech. See how big this heater is. Checking out the. I had no idea. CHITRONIC heater smells new. Okay, now here's the back of the CHITRONIC. Looks like a Cadillac ceramic heater. See, there's the front of the CHITRONIC heater. And what we're going to do, open it up and see what it does if you really get a 20-second heat up on this thing. Okay. You buy stuff on eBay, sight unseen, It's a good positive. Okay. Okay, now it says here. Yeah, oscillating. You don't have to have it to oscillate. We'll try it on. You got it on the first 750 watts. I guess you push both of them to make it 1,000. I can already feel the heat, man. I can already feel it. Yeah, I can feel it now. You can have it on 750 or 1,500. It's a nice little white heater, perfect for the camper, man. Perfect for the camper. Yeah, it's getting hotter now. It's putting out pretty wood. It's what Coates does. This is the kind he has. Coates has a. I get the plastic off the front of it. Brand new. We'll see how it does now, guys. Now I got my little owner's manual. This is for the camper. This is what Coates does. Gerald on YouTube, he uses his space heater with a generator running. And that's what he does, instead of running his house furnace sometimes. So the gas gets a little cheaper. Maybe we'll do it that way. And you're plugged in an RV park or at someone's house, it's good to do. So let's see the oscillation mode. There's your oscillation. It's oscillating. Well, that's the review. It seems to work well to me. Seems okay. So, tell me what you think about the CHITRONIC heater. Thank you for watching.